Hello everyone, welcome to 12am coding, and today we are going to solve a new problem in our pattern series, which is Floyd's triangle. Okay, so in this particular triangle, if you see, this is our pattern. Okay, like again these are our rows and these are our columns. Okay, now if you observe in this particular pattern, then what's happening? Like on the first row, if we say, then on the first row what is getting printed? 1. Okay, on the second row, okay, when let's take I, okay, on I equals to 2, what we are printing? 2 comma 3. On I equals to 3, we are printing 4 comma 5 comma 6. On I equals to 4, we are printing 7 8 9 and 10. And on I equals to 5, we are printing 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, so if you observe in this particular pattern, then what is happening? Like on the I, okay, on the row number 1, we are printing 1 digit. Okay, on the row number 2, we are printing 2 digits. On row number 3, we are printing 3 digits. Okay, and 4 and 5 digits. Okay, so this is same kind of we did earlier, but the thing is we are printing the numbers. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the increment order, which is increment by 1. Okay, so if we see the pseudo code of this particular pattern, then what we can do? Okay, so it's simple, right? Like we need to just print the number with the increment. So what we can do, we can take a number as, let's say, we just take, okay, number as, in the initialization in the first it will be 1. Okay, so we have initialized this with the 1. Now what will happen, that when you will be running the loop from I equals to 1 to n, okay, in this case our n is 5 because we are having 5 rows. Okay, so then 1 to n we will be running. Then inside our loop, we will be having the inner loop here, in which we will be having j equals to 1 to, like what it will be? It will be I, because on the first row we are printing 1 digit, on the second row we are printing 2. So our j will be responsible for printing the digits. So I equals to 1 to I will be printing. Okay, and then inside it, we can print, what we can print? We can print this number. Okay, we can print this number. Okay, and we can also print a space actually, just for like look and feel of this particular pattern is good. Okay, and then we can increment this number by 1. Okay, so and then we can print a new line here. Okay, so this is our end of the outer loop. So if you see in this inner loop, what is happening? We are running the j from I to sorry 1 to I. Okay, and we are printing the numbers. Okay, and we are incrementing the numbers also. Okay, so let's see from the code how we can print this. So in the beginning we will be having n equals to 5. Okay, you can keep anything, and then one more integer we will take this time, which is number. Okay, and this number will be, we will be initializing with 1. Okay, now we will be running our outer loop. Okay, in this outer loop, what it will be, like what we will do, from for I equals to 1, then I less than equals to n, then I plus plus. Okay, and then we will be running our inner loop. Okay, and our inner loop will be for I sorry j equals to 1, then j till I we need to run this time, and then j plus plus. Okay, and then we will be uh, printing our number. Okay, let me remove this ln, and then we can print our number. Okay, and then with this we can just print a space out of it. Okay, and then we can increment this number by 1. Okay, and in the end we can print a new line. So let me run this particular code and see. Let me see. Okay, so if we see, like on the first row, we are printing 1, second row 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, which is our this particular pattern. So yes, guys, hope this particular question makes sense. So yeah, thank you and see you in the next tutorial.